I think there are too many things in the world already. So I want to be aware of what I'm putting out to the world. My name is Shin Okuda. I'm a furniture designer. I live in Los Angeles, and my furniture brand is called Waka Waka. I didn't really have any learning experience or anything. I grew up in a small town, and my mom always kept any boxes, cardboard boxes or like snack boxes. So I was making whatever from robot to a small car that I can sit in. I love boxes. To get design ideas for my furniture pieces, I like to start with pen and paper. I like to draw physically. Then to take it to the next step, I like to use technology. I use 3D computer program, and that helps me to see the perspective and the balance of the pieces. I use primarily Baltic birch plywood. It comes 4x8. By designing in a computer program, by using a technology, I can lay out the parts on a 4x8 sheet. That helps me not to waste any material. Every time when I throw something away, it hurts. Every cut I have to appreciate. I always think about balance, functionality, and the design element to give personality to the furniture piece. Since we have such a small team, we don't have like a system that we have to follow, but naturally communication is very important. We don't have like a hierarchy or anything. So it just creates more like an organic system, I would say. Cleaning for me, it's kind of meditative. I vacuum daily and just organize stuff. It's a very important process for me to be creative. Before we had a son, the future to me was just the future of my life. Selfishly, I didn't need to think about beyond my lifetime, but now the future means his future. We both worked a lot, and since we are doing what we like to do, there was not much separation. But since we had a son, it's completely shifted. Once I leave work, I'm trying to switch off and slow down my pace. And then going home and just kick ball with my son, it's very refreshing, mentally and physically. Yeah, it's the favorite time of my day.